Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader for Windows 11 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Adobe Acrobat Reader for Windows 11, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Adobe official website by typing adobe.com in the address bar. In the search bar on the Adobe homepage, type Acrobat Reader and press enter. Once the search results load, locate Adobe Acrobat Reader in the list and click on it. On the Acrobat Reader page, look for the Download button. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the download. Click Save or OK to proceed. The setup file will begin downloading. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the setup file, which is usually named readersetup.exe. Double-click the setup file to begin the installation process. A user account control window might appear. Click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. The Adobe Acrobat Reader installer will open. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. You may be presented with options to install additional software. Review these options and uncheck any you do not want. Click Install to begin the installation process will take a few moments to complete. Once the installation is finished, you may see a confirmation message. Click Finish to exit the installer. You can now find Adobe Acrobat Reader in your Start menu. Open Adobe Acrobat Reader and you're ready to start viewing and editing PDFs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.